Are you looking for a way to record your Figma prototypes? We're actually looking at how it's done. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're right. While there isn't a way to do this natively in Figma as of right now, you can get around this by using a screen recorder. In my example, I'm going to use the Loom Chrome extension. And I'm going to go down to the bottom where it says Recorder Loom. And I'm going to have it, for this example, just record my entire screen. I'm going to hit share. And now I can interact with my prototype and have a video I can share with clients.